Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a video testing out the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. So if you want to see how this product works, then just keep watching. We're going to be testing out the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter today. So I only did get one shade because I can't afford to get that many at one time. So it does retail for $10.99. I bought mine at CVS. It's sold anywhere Physicians Formula is sold. So the shade I got was their champagne shade. It says that it's supposed to be a cream to powder highlighter, ultra luminous and multi-dimensional cream to powder highlighter infused with murumu, I don't know how to say that, butter. Delivers a radiant Brazilian goddess glow. It's supposed to be lightweight, one swipe, blendable coverage, features ultra refined pearls and soft focus pigments that smooth the skin's texture, brighten skin tone, and deliver a gorgeous highlighted finish. So this is what the package looks like. It is just a twist off. And then this is what the highlighter itself looks like. Oh my gosh. Just one touch and that is so buttery. Alright, we have to put it on me. Look at that. Oh! So pretty. So it does say to use your finger to apply this, so I'm going to use my finger on one side and my brush on the other just because typically I don't like using my finger, so in more cases than not I would want to use my brush. So I'm going to do it on both just to see if it does look any different. So, oh my god, it's like so satisfying just to touch it because it's so buttery. So I put it on my finger, dab over my finger, and then we're just gonna... It does say to swipe, but I don't want to swipe because that will mess up what I already have down. Oh, and it smells like their coconut smells. I love their butter bronzer. Okay, that's nice. So actually with your finger it does look really pretty. I do feel like the creamy butteriness when you touch it. But now that it's on my skin, it does feel like a powder like it said. Alright, I'm going to use my brush on the other side, which is the Morphe M510, 510. And I'm just going to dip that in. Okay, I do think with your finger you get it more intense quicker, but I'm sure you could probably add it or build it up. So I'm going to try to just build it up. Oh yeah. Stop texting me. Yes. Oh my god. So I definitely think you could use this with your finger, but if you're somebody like me who really just doesn't like applying makeup with your finger, you can still use a brush. I still think you can get it built... Alright, we're putting that right. I still think you can get it built up to like you do with your finger with the brush. You just have to go in a few more times, so it's up to you on how you feel. If you know, I feel like if you were in a hurry, it would be easy just to do it with your finger, but if you had the time to sit there and build it up, then you could do it with the brush. And I'm not saying it takes like 5 layers to build it up to the one with your finger. It only took me like another extra layer. So I do think it's really pretty. I do like the butter or cream to powder finish. It does feel really nice when you touch it with your finger. It is very, very satisfying, which is really weird to say, but it is. Let's see, I think, how many, they have 4 shades. So they have a, why is there no colors? Oh, pearl. Okay, they have pearl, they have iridescence, they have pink, and then they have the champagne that I got. So I got champagne because I like more gold toned things. I would say honestly this is more gold than it is champagne. I mean, just looking at this, you can, I don't know if my lights are going to show it, but you can see just looking at this in person it's more gold than it is champagne. But that's what I like. I like more gold colors. I was going to get the iridescent ones, the one that just look white, but I was slightly afraid it would be too white, so I didn't grab that. But I definitely think this is something I will grab other shades. I just didn't want to do it right away in case I didn't like it because it was pretty much $11. I'm really loving Physicians Formula right now, all their new healthy elixir stuff. So I did test out their foundation, which if you want to see that, I'll also link it somewhere around here. I did test that product out and I actually really liked it, spoiler alert. But so because of that and because of their like butter bronzers and their butter highlighters that I've been really loving, I decided to also try out their healthy, what is this? The Healthy Lip Velvet Finish. So I decided to try this out as well. I did also only get one shade because I didn't know if I would like it. So this retails for $6.99. I got the shade I think they all say all nude natural, so if they do, it's PF 10018, because I think they all say the same. Oh no, there is names. Okay, so this is the all natural nude. So they are a healthy lip velvet liquid lipstick. I know I kind of just added this in at the end, sorry. So it is supposed to be a velvet liquid lipstick. They're ultra hydrating, ultra pigmented, and ultra lasting. The benefits are that it's long lasting, skincare infused, moisturizing satin lips, liquid lip color, lavishing pigment, rich and creamy texture, enriched with avocado oil and the Beauty Miracle Worker for Hydration and Moisturizer with vitamin E and A. It's supposed to be a soft satin matte effect with incredible adherence to the lips without setting into fine lines. Comfortable cushioning feeling, does not cake, dry, or cake. So I have actually tried this out, which I'll go ahead and just put it on now. So I do really like the applicator. So it comes to a point, it is angled, and then it has like a little opening in the middle for the product to be put in. So this is what the color All Natural Nude looks like. I actually really like this formula. So I have tried it before, just because I couldn't wait to try it. Let me just go back to the claims and tell you about that. So the long lasting, I do think it actually is pretty long lasting. I wore it through breakfast and lunch, and then I kind of forgot about it. Since this is close to the color of my lips, I didn't really notice it fading too much. Probably to test that, I should have gotten a different kind of color than a nude, but because, like I said, I don't have the money, so I want to make sure if I'm testing something out, it's a color that I would like if it does work. So that part is hard to kind of test out, but I did notice it at least made it through lunch, and then I kind of forgot I was testing it. The lavish color, I do think you can get very good pigment with just a swipe, so that is nice. The setting and fine lines, I don't notice it setting into my fine lines. What else? Oh, it does feel extremely lightweight. Like as soon as it dried down, I forgot I even had it on. That's how comfortable it felt. So I do really like that. So overall, I think these liquid lipsticks are amazing. I would definitely pick them up, especially because they're only $7. This is awesome, and I definitely want to pick up the other colors. I really do like it. I like the effect it gave. It is slightly, I wouldn't say glittery, but it does give that like glitter shimmer effect. So if you don't like that kind of highlighter, you probably wouldn't like it, but I don't mind that, and I actually really like the pigment that it I really like how intense it is and how intense you can build it up to. So I definitely recommend these. Like I said, they are $10.99 at any place that sells Physicians Formula. So that's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.